Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Get away from the change of work and life and immerse yourself in total serenity in this magnificent family home in the making. This more than half-acre property is located in the cool climes of Highgate, St. Mary, and is only 20 minutes away from the parish capital of Port Maria. Enjoy picturesque views and sunsets from your private balcony, or beat the heat of the Caribbean Sea with a refreshing coconut or sugarcane plunked directly from your backyard garden. Thinking of investing? This property could easily be converted into a multi-unit apartment complex, a bed and breakfast, or a home for senior living. Equipped with 10 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms, 8 of which are ensuite, with a self-contained 2-bedroom basement. This home is beautifully arranged and is already an income earner. Your house hunting has come to its close. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $300,000 or Jamaican $46.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.